I'm going to share with you 2 simple ways to keep your shower clean, specifically the caulk, that you can use with a regular maintenance that won't even disrupt your daily routine. And let's be honest, showers can get super nasty, they can get super moldy just from regular daily use. I mean, we are in here to clean ourselves off after work or after waking up in the morning. And so we can see mold, we can see calcification and rust stains. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. The first one is really simple. It's a daily shower spray. We use a white vinegar and water solution. We keep the spray bottle in the shower and just kind of clean as we go. The second one is what we're using for that, which is actually just a Norwex cleaning cloth. I keep 2 of these in the shower on the handle at all times. My wife and I will take turns just cleaning in the shower when we're already in the shower every single day. It's really easy. So as far as the routine shower spray is concerned, everybody knows about that. I'll show you that one at the end. But really, I want to show you how well these Norwex cloths do clean. And I'm going to leave links down below. Again, these are Amazon links, and we will earn a small commission if you decide to purchase from that and help our channel. But you keep the cloth in the shower and you just wet it with the shower. You don't need to wash these very often, right? These are microfiber cloths that have a silver fiber woven into them, and that's the antimicrobial component of it. But I'm just using water, right? You can see I just dipped it in a bowl of water, and we're just gonna kind of go along. We see a little bit of a reddening in this shower here, and that's gonna be from the high iron in the water. But it's just water. It's just water and a Norwex cloth. And you can see as we go along, we're keeping it clean. Regular maintenance every single day to keep this shower cleaner and cleaner. And you can get into the corners. I don't know if you can see that. Let me back up for a second here. You can get into the corners and just kind of rub it in there from both directions. Change the, flip the cloth over from time to time, and then get back in it. All right, so here's the deal, right? We just cleaned this caulk, and we don't have any mold issues now. We have a slight discoloration. And so there's 2 things that we can do moving forward on this. Is one, we can get a deep cleaning with some bleach water. That's going to bleach the white back into this, right? Remove any of that color staining from that. We can do that about once a week or once a month. That's your personal preference. If you don't like any of the yellowing, go ahead and use the bleach spray. Even the white vinegar with a Norwex cloth can help. Let's bring this guy out. And we're not rubbing really hard. We're just rubbing enough to let the microfiber cloth do its work. Again, it's a Norwex cloth with a little bit of white vinegar if you don't want to use bleach. And here's the real secret to all of this is doing it daily. Get in the shower when you're in there and just give it a quick rinse down. So nobody likes a cold shower, right? But most of the time when you start the shower, you get a little bit of a burst of cold water. I particularly like that to start my day. It's boom, it's kind of refreshing, and it's a little Tony Robbins-esque, if you will. So I'll use that cold water blast period before the water gets hot to do a quick wipe down. As you can see, it's already looking a lot better. Doing this daily is gonna keep all of this at bay, and then you can have your deep clean schedule, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever it is, to get in there with some good bleach and stuff like that. Again, a lot of people don't want to use those chemicals, so I'll leave a link down below for a couple other ones that I feel are good and work. But really, the microfiber, the Norwex microfiber cloth is where it's at. And there's another one that's a little bit less of a microfiber. This one we use on the glass door, so it'll take off all of that glass scum that builds up. So there you have it. It's really that simple. Just do it in the shower. Thanks for watching Warrior House DIY. We'll see you in the next video.